Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to record a video on Snapchat. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Snapchat, open the app, and after that, as you can see, there is that white circle in the middle of the screen. You have just to long press on it, and as you can see it's now recording a video. As you can see, is being recorded now is a video now record. And when you release you will have multiple options, so you can send that video or you can just save it. I will show you again. Press, and I can just save it, and like that the video was already saved on my phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.